Assalamu alaikum. Welcome, dear students and viewers of e-learning Pashto online learning platform. I hope, guys, you are fine and doing well. In our today's video, we're gonna kick off the idioms session of e-learning Pashto. After this, we will be teaching every single day at least 10 the most common idioms of the day, and these are the most commonly used idioms, and if you just learn them and practically use in your spoken English, I hope and I believe that your English will sound more fluently in native speaker. So in our today's session of 10 phrasal idioms, we are looking at the first of all these 10 idioms, and that is a blessing in disguise. A blessing in disguise means a good thing that seemed bad at first. A blessing in disguise معنا دا ده چې دې کې به مو خیر وي. یعنی موږ یو کار وکړو خو ابتدا کې دا کار داسې ښکاري چې زموږ په تاوان یا نقص وي، ولې وروسته بیا نتیجه یې زموږ په ګټه وسي. داسې یو حالت ته، داسې یو چیز ته موږ ویلی شو a blessing in disguise. For example, failing in the NET exam was a blessing in disguise for me. د نت په امتحان کې ناکامیدل ما لپاره یو خیر کار و. Maybe you've earned something else. Moving on to the second idioms of the day, and that is go back to the drawing board. Go back to the driving board means start over. لسره یا پیل شروع کول. That is very common, one of the common idiom that we have. Go back to the driving board. You have again failed to hack the website. Go back to the driving board and now. وای تاسو بیا ناکام شولئ چې دغه ویب سایټ هیک کړئ، واپس لسره پیل کړئ او دا ویب سایټ تاسو باید هیک کړئ. So it's very common, like, when you do something and you finish somehow it, but the result is not what you've expected, so you just go back to the drawing board and you start it over. So to talk that situation by idiom, you can use this one. Next, very common again, miss the boat. Miss the boat means it's too late. چانس یا فرصت د لاسه ورکول یا ډېر ناوخته کېدل د یو څه اړوند. Link your Adhara card with your cocker before you miss the boat. وای دغه Adhara card او دا کم کوکر چې دی دا کم کارډونه به غالب ګمان یا کم داش دی دا دوان سره مس کا وای مخکې له دې چې ناوخته شي. Or let me make an example and you can understand what the example even better. Like, tomorrow you gotta present your topic in the ceremony and try not to miss the boat. It is very important and your future may start just from tomorrow on. سبا ته یو پروګرام دی، تاسې باید یو مقاله پریزنټیشن ورکئ او په یاد لره چې don't miss the boat معنی څه؟ چانس د لاسه مه ورکوه، فرصت د لاسه مه ورکوه. Next, we have cost an arm in a leg. To cost an arm in a leg means when something is very expensive, ډیر قیمته یا ګرانه. کله چې تاسو یو چیز اخلئ ولې قیمت ډیر زیات وي، نو تاسو چې کله خبرې کوئ د expensive پر ځای تاسو idioms کاروئ شئ. cost an arm in a leg. MacBook costs an arm in a leg and even a kidney. I still love it. MacBook یو ډول لپټاپ دی، وای دا ډیر زیاته قیمته دی او ان که چېرته وای کډني یا ګردې هم زه خرڅ کړم خو زه غواړم زه خوښوم دا واخلم. What cost you an arm in a leg? What is something that you've bought and it really costed you an arm in a leg? Can you tell us about that? Okay, the next phrasal verb we have is hit the sack. To hit the sack means, to go to sleep with a kidal. Hit the sack means with a kidal. Really simple. You're using Facebook for too long. Hit the sack now or else I'll put you in the sack. و ډېر وخت کېږي چې فیسبوک سمالیږي ویده شئ کنې زه به دې په زوره ویده کړم. When does your mom ask you to hit the sack? Can you tell us about it? Okay, when pigs fly. When pigs fly means something that will never ever happen. Like there's 0% of chance of happening something. His kalana and a bilkul na. I will surely buy a Bugatti Veyron when the pigs fly. Da یو ډول موټر د وزه واخلم بیا وشي یعنی not possible. هیڅ امکان نه لري. یو خواهش د ډریم دی. What do you want to do when the pigs fly? یعنی داسې یو څه دی چې هیڅ امکان نه لري خو تاسې غواړئ. When the pigs fly means هیڅ کله نه. Okay, next, a piece of cake. A piece of cake means something very easy to do. یو څه چې ډېره زیات اسانه وي یا ډېر ساده اوسي. Buying a Mercedes car is a piece of cake for me, though I have never bought it. وای د مرسیډیز موټر اخیستل ما لپاره ډېر اسانه ده. لکه مثال زه ډېر مالدار یم، زه ډېر پیسې لرم and it's not a big deal for me. What is a piece of cake for you? تاسو لپاره څه داسې شته چې ډېر ارزانه اوسي یا ډېر اسانه اوسي؟ And next we have hurt in mouth. Hurt in mouth means feeling nervous or scared. یعنی د پریشانی یا هم د نارامي احساس کول دې ته ویل کېږي hurt in mouth. ډېر پریشانه، وارخطا او ترهېدلی. My heart was in my mouth while watching Scream movie. It really happened. زما یعنی زه ډېر نارام وم، پریشان وم کله چې دا فلم ما کته. What makes you feel the hurt in your mouth? Watching Afghanistan's match against Pakistan and when it's really get exciting, like maybe like very fighting match, so that in that time my heart is in mouth. Okay, next we have once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon means very rarely, یونیم وخت کله کله. Once in a blue moon. I visit the barber once in a blue moon. زه نای ته یونیم وخت لاړ شم یعنې کله کله. Okay, what do you do once in a blue moon? تاسې کله کله څه کوئ؟ Next we have go pear-shaped. Go pear-shaped means go wrong. ګډوډي کېدل، خرابېدل، یو څه د نصیب بېسوره کېدل د go pear-shaped ویل کېږي. Everything went pear-shaped yesterday. پرون هر څه ګډوډ شو. یعنی پرون موږ وایو ولا پرون ورځ مې را باندې خرابه شو. We can say my day was just went pear-shaped. Tell about your recent pear-shaped event. داسې راته وایي چې په نږدې وختو کې څه داسې شوي دي چې تاسو باندې ګډوډ شوي. And with that, we are at the end of our today's idiom session. I hope, guys, you've watched the video and you've picked up these 10 phrasal verbs that I've just taught you. Try to write down them on a piece of paper and make as many examples as you can and try to use these phrasal verbs regularly in your spoken English. Until I join you in the next video session of idioms, I want to say goodbye and see you all.